Ace mountain climber Mali Mastan Babu is missing. He was hiking in the Andes mountains in South America. There are fears of his safety. Now, 40-year-old Babu hails from Nellore in Andhra Pradesh. He was in South America for a trek. Babu and his friends, they were in Argentina. They were moving towards the summit, which is on the Chilean side of the Andes. Now, as per reports, Babu and his group were at the base camp on the 24th of March. Then he set off alone to check the route. The weather deteriorated soon afterwards and he's been missing ever since. The fastest 7 summiteers in the world. He's climbed several summits in all 7 continents in 172 days. Babu is one of India's most famous mountain climbers. His family in India has appealed to governments both in Argentina and Chile to launch an aerial search operation. His friends from around the world, they've started a fundraising campaign to aid the relief and rescue operation.
కుమారుడు కనపడలేదని కంగారు పడుతున్నాం సార్. నా కుమారుని అట్నే నాకు తెలపని చెప్తున్నాను సార్. నాకు కనపడి 4 నెలలు సార్. మా అబ్బాయి ఆడుండేది కనుక్కొని చెప్పమని గవర్నమెంట్ని కోరుకుంటున్నాను సార్.
అతను 15 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి పర్వతాలు అవరోధించాలని చెప్పేసి ఒక సంకల్పంతో అన్ని ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్న ఎత్తైన శిఖరాలు చాలా వరకు అవరోధించాడు. మరి అతను ఎంత కష్టంతో కూడుకున్న పని అయినా కూడా రిస్క్తో పెళ్లి లేకుండా.
T.S. Sudhir now joins us with the latest. Sudhir, what more can you tell us about relief and rescue operations?
Well, officials that we have been in touch with say that he's most likely on the Argentinian side of the hill ranges, and that's where the rescue and relief operations are being taken and efforts are being made to establish contact with Mali Mastan Babu. At the same time, both the Indian ambassadors to Chile as well as in Argentina are in touch with both the family of Mali Mastan Babu in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh as well as with the Ministry of External Affairs. So in that sense, the family is being told that all efforts are being made both by the Ministry of External Affairs as well as the 2 governments in South America to somehow reach out to Mali Mastan Babu. They do realize that the weather had indeed deteriorated after he had actually set out on his own, but they do believe that the kind of ace mountaineer that Mali Mastan Babu is, with the kind of experience that he has, he would be actually safe at the moment. But yes, all efforts being made to establish contact with him and take him out safely.
What have his his buddies who were climbing the mountain with him, who were with him at the base camp, what more information have they been able to give his family, and what are the relief operations that are currently being undertaken?
Well, they don't have any contact with him ever since he set out, and only after he had actually set out for the other side of the hill range that the weather really deteriorated. It started raining heavily, and that's when they actually panicked and believed that they are not able to establish contact with Mali Mastan Babu, and that's when the SOS was sent to the governments in both Argentina and Chile to somehow do some kind of aerial sorties to try and locate Mali Mastan Babu anywhere along those hill ranges. But yes, at this point in time, the family is being reassured that all efforts are being made, and of course on the ground there in both Chile and Argentina, efforts are being made by the officials, by mountaineers who have expertise in those kind of ranges to somehow locate Mali Mastan Babu at the earliest.
T.S. Sudhir, for the moment, many thanks.